Neck and back injuries are common occurrences following a rear-end collision. Our firm has successfully litigated thousands of rear-end collisions. A common theme amongst these claims are neck and back injuries. Neck and back injuries can range from minor to serious. What's most troubling is what starts as a minor injury often becomes a serious and debilitating injury. Common neck and back injuries range from whiplash, common term you may have heard, to a sprain strain, to a fracture of your vertebrae in your spine, to a herniated disc. These injuries can lead to significant pain, prevent you from working, require extensive medical care, and even, God forbid, lead to surgical intervention. At Raphaelson Levine Law Firm, we have handled literally thousands of claims for clients who have sustained neck and back injuries in rear-end car crashes. A case that comes to mind reminds me of a young man whom we represented following a car crash. He sustained what is called a disc herniation in his lower back. The vehicle he was in was rear-ended while it was stopped at an intersection. His vehicle was pushed into the vehicle in front of him, causing a second collision. He immediately experienced lower back pain and was brought to the hospital. At the hospital, it was determined that he sustained a disc herniation and he was referred for additional care. He had hoped to get better and followed with a conservative treatment plan of physical therapy. When his symptoms failed to heal, he was sent for an MRI to further assess the damage. The MRI confirmed the hospital's diagnosis and determined that he needed additional care. He was then referred to a neurologist, followed by an interventional pain management specialist. In hopes of avoiding surgery, he underwent epidural injections, a common procedure used to help alleviate the symptoms of a herniated disc. Unfortunately, he was unable to restore function in his back, and he continued to have pain on a daily basis. Regrettably, he had to undergo an invasive surgery. He underwent what is called a posterior lumbar fusion with discectomy. They actually removed the herniated disc and placed a metal cage in his spine for stability. We were able to litigate his case successfully and recover him a 7-figure award. If you or a loved one has been injured in a rear-end collision or have sustained a neck or back injury, contact Raphaelson Levine Law Firm so we could guide you through the process and provide you detailed and unique advice appropriate for your situation.